and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because it's been a long time since I did an unboxing, and I thought it was time. I'm almost nearing 5,000 subscribers, which for some people is not a big deal, but for me it is. I am having so much fun filming videos, and I have not been very consistent throughout the years, but I have always had so much support from you guys that I feel now is the perfect moment to give something back to you. And I wish that I could give I wish I could give you a Chanel to each and every one of you watching me, because I know some of you have never owned a luxury handbag, but you enjoy my content, and you know, I just want to thank you for the kindness that you spread on this channel, and that it means so much to me. You don't even know. I think it's needless to say this has not been sponsored. I'm doing this myself. Some items have become available on the Louis Vuitton website, and I saw this one and I thought I'm going to get it for one of you guys. So if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. I will get into the rules of the giveaway at the end of it, and I will also post them down below, so make sure you check them out. So let's open this. You see that's a Louis Vuitton box. Now I have already opened it because I wanted to make sure this was the right item. It comes in this little box. You're gonna get everything here. I will ship it wherever you are. I don't know how long it will take in this situation in the world, but I will ship it to you, no worries. So you have this beautiful orange box here. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to ruin it. I'm gonna try to make it back as well as I possibly can. And in here, very exciting. And in here is a small leather good that I raved about in my small leather goods video, but it is with a twist. And here's the twist. That's the twist. This is the zippy coin purse in the giant monogram. So you, in the front, you've got the large LV, and at the back, you've got the little flower. So, oh, the zipper is so smooth. It obviously still has a sticker on the zipper, which I'm not going to remove. And I'll open it up, and it's a black pit. It has the little textile card in there. And yeah, as opposed to the classic zippy, the interior is all black. I think it's a beautiful combination. And I must actually say that the zipper looks so much prettier than mine, but mine's very old. So this is the one that I've got. This is the Damier Ebene version. And this is the giant monogram version. And my zipper, oh, it's not that bad. But the new one, oh, it's absolutely great. Now, you could wonder, why did I go for this? I thought, let's be twinning a little, because I've got the giant monogram tote, and as much as I would want to give away a tote, I mean, I'm not there yet. I really hope that one day I am able to give away something this massive. That would be my dream. But for now, you can be twinning with me with this giant monogram, and I think it's beautiful. It's a little eye catcher, but why not have a little eye catcher in your bag? I think it's really gorgeous. It's something else. It's something quirky, and you're always going to think about me. I really hope that whoever gets it is going to like it. Even if you don't like it yourself, I hope that you can maybe gift it to somebody, somebody special. I just hope you will. I hope you will like it. This is a beautiful piece, and I'm not going to touch it anymore because I want it to stay as untouched as possible. This is going to get to you just as if you had ordered it online. So I hope whoever gets this is going to enjoy it. And now to the details of the giveaway. The giveaway is open internationally, so it doesn't matter where you're at. This item will find you if you win it. and the giveaway is open for 20 days. So starting from whenever I upload this video, and the end date and time is going to be in the description down below. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is jump 23,000 hoops. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna keep it on 2 platforms because that's all I have basically. You have to be subscribed to this channel and comment down below so I know that you want to enter. And as a comment, I would like you to write what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. It would also be great if you would like this video, although there's no way for me to find out who has liked it and who has disliked it, but this would definitely help me in the algorithm if you want to see more videos and more giveaways from me in the future. For those of you who have Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram as well. It's not going to, you know, if you don't have Instagram, it's not going to dismiss you from the competition. I'll just say it as it is, but I would really appreciate if you would go and find me also on Instagram so that we can connect over there. So that's it. If I forgot to say something, it'll be written down below. I hope whoever gets this piece will enjoy it. And I just, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you for always being so kind with me. That's something that I've really appreciated. You guys have been nothing but supportive of me. So really a massive thank you for that. So that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye.